You like that brick? Huh? That brick come in handy? This works great for helping your snake shed. I keep these for all my enclosures for my bigger snakes. They're real smooth bricks. They're very heavyweight. And they work wonders for snakes to use them to get their shed rolled back. Hey, bud. Moving along pretty good, huh, too? Yeah. You like that brick, huh? See, there's so many little things you can do to make life go better for your snakes that you keep in a captive environment. They don't have to struggle to take care of everyday tasks. You can always make it a little easier for them. This is Chewy. Hey, what are you doing? How's that shed coming along? He's so particular. It takes him 3 weeks to prime himself for a shed, and he won't start his shed until he's sure it's going to be just like he wants it, and it's always perfect. Even if it starts out kind of broken up at the beginning, it's still very moist, and it slides right off. Hi, Jew. Hey, bud. What are you doing? Huh? Hi. You can't come out now. You gotta get your shed off. Yeah, gotta get rid. See? Perfect. That's how clean your face is. You got a dry scale on top there. That's from where he rubbed his nose about last year. He rubbed his nose and he got a little spot on it. Where'd that tongue going? Look at that tongue going. Oh my goodness. Good grief. Yeah, it's Mama. It's Mama. I'm watching you shed. Yes, I am. You can't come out now, honey. You can't come out now. No, go back. Go in there and finish shedding. Then I'll let you come out, and I'll feed you after. But you get your shed done, and Mom will let you come out. Perfect. They know what they're doing. All you have to do is help them. You know, little things really make a big difference in their lives as to the quality of life you give them. Someone asked about you today, actually, on YouTube, Chewy. So I'll have to put this up tomorrow to show them how you're doing. He's such a perfectionist. He will not attempt to shed until it's perfect. He's got the perfect amount of moisture built up under the shed, so he knows he's going to get it off without it coming off in bits and pieces, and it's always perfect. And he's using that brick. See, it's a very smooth brick. It's way heavy. Let's see, he's using it to get his shed pushed back. They're not dumb. They know what they're doing. All you gotta do is give them the means to do it. Huh? Say, hey! Did Mama bonk you on your nose because you were trying to come out and get on my lap? You can't come out till you finish your shed, buddy. No, can't come out till you finish. They're amazing animals. They're not stupid by no means. And I don't care what anyone says. They are fully capable of expressing their feelings toward a person. They react real quick to someone if they pick up a bad sense about them. And they'll stick with that first impression normally. You do anything to upset them, or if you're rude to them or mean to them, they don't forget you. Trust me, they won't forget you. These aren't stupid animals like so many people think they are, and they're capable of being very sociable, very friendly toward people. But it's all up to you, you know. If you don't put the time in, they just, you know, they're not going to make the effort if you don't. That's what it comes down to. They just will not put forth the effort to be social with you if you don't put forth the effort to show them that you really care about them, contrary to what people believe. These animals have feelings. If I raise my voice when I call them by name, they'll back right into a corner and hide their head from me. I've come to the conclusion that snakes think if they can't see you, then you can't see them. In their own minds, that's how they act. Because if you do anything to offend them, they'll hide their head from you. So I think they really think if they can't see you, you can't see them. It's one of their defense mechanisms. Look at that purple tongue. Look at that purple tongue. You can't come out till you finish shedding, bud. I love you, but no, you can't come out till you finish. Go back. Back. Back up. Get your shed off, and then I'll let you come out and visit. But he's using that brick constantly. Such a good snake. All my snakes are the sweetest snakes. Not a one of them are defensive or have any animosity toward people. They'll go to anyone unless you've given them a reason not to like you. And if they don't, they won't come anywhere near you. Yeah, he's such a good boy. Yes, he is. Chewy's a big boy. He's a good boy. See here? He'll get all that off perfect. He's a master at this. How old's Chewy? He must be 11 years old now. I lose track. I've got so many. Grumpy's priming for a shed, too, out in the snake room. Chewy has to live near me where he can see me all the time, or he's miserable and he paces and nose rubs. So his enclosure is right here by my daybed, as you can see. He has to be near me all the time, or he freaks right out. He has to be able to see me. So he's closest to my daybed where I spend most of my time, so he can always see me. Look at the difference in the colors. The shed's almost a brown prior to it coming off, and as it comes off, it's black. What a difference in colors. There's a lot of snake here to get shed off of, I'll tell you. He's over 11 feet now. He's so handsome, yes he is. And he takes his time. He is just so particular. He's going to come back and tell me hi again. He does this the whole time he's shedding. If I'm anywhere near him, he'll keep coming over and telling me hello. Hi, bud. Hi, my bud. Who loves you? My heart and soul, my snakes are. I love them to death, every single one of them. Look at you. Look at you. You're so handsome. So I'm doing this. I got it. So I got it. Huh. So I know exactly what I'm doing. I love that purple tongue. That pretty tongue. Yeah, it is. These are my babies. I love them to death. Look at that pretty tongue. You can hear it popping when he flicks it. It's so cute. Yep.